Agentic risks arise from the intersection of data, identity, and intent. And understanding that context, understanding the agent context, is a critical prerequisite to AI. AI co-pilots, homegrown agents, AI embedded in SaaS apps. It's changing how companies are running their operations, IT, be it customer service, be it legal, be it marketing and sales, throughout the enterprise. It's permeating the enterprise. Board level mandates and competitive pressures are pushing leaders to move faster and capture AI driven productivity gains. But there's a catch. As AI agents spread across the business, they introduce new and frequently hidden risks to sensitive data, to cyber resilience. In many organizations, the speed of AI adoption is outpacing the maturity of AI governance, data controls, and recovery strategies. Leaders want to accelerate AI, but not at the cost of enterprise resilience, trust, and regulatory exposure. Omdia research shows that AI agents is a top initiative within the enterprise and a top 5 initiative within half the enterprises. When business, IT, and security leaders are asked about the biggest risks, data privacy and security vulnerabilities top that list. The central challenge is clear: how to say yes to AI and embrace the AI advantages that come with it while ensuring the security and the resilience necessary for data and systems that matter most. So, what is really changing with AI agents? First off, AI agents behave differently than traditional software. AI agents are non-deterministic, which means outcomes are harder to predict and anticipate, and it's also harder to govern using legacy controls and processes. Second, those agents typically have broad access to data and tools across the enterprise, which dramatically increases the impact if something goes wrong. A single mistaken instruction or compromised agent can trigger thousands of different actions in minutes, long before a human team can respond. Third, AI introduces some new types of risks, such as malicious prompts, manipulation of agent goals. Those don't really fit neatly into existing security playbooks. Omdia analysis highlights 3 major gaps that hold enterprises back from safely scaling their AI initiatives. The first gap is visibility. Many organizations lack a single unified view of all the agents that exist across their clouds, their SaaS infrastructure and on-premises environments, and what those agents can access and what they're doing. Shadow AI or unsanctioned or unmanaged projects create security blind spots. The second significant gap is around data governance. AI initiatives are frequently built on data that has not been as consistently classified, labeled, sanitized, or controlled. Sensitive information is frequently found in places it's not supposed to be, it's outdated, it's redundant, and it's retained without clear business value. The third gap is resilience. AI agents might make mistakes, they're misconfigured, or they're compromised, and enterprises lack a consistent way to quickly understand what has changed and roll back that specific damage. Traditionally, bulk data recovery, those approaches are a very blunt instrument when it comes to AI-driven environments and can end up disrupting the business. To address these gaps, Omdia recommends a unified strategy that brings together data security posture management, AI governance, and intelligent backup and recovery. You want to prevent issues when possible, and quickly and precisely recover when something goes wrong. That's where Veeam Agent Commander comes in. Veeam Agent Commander is designed to help enterprises adopt AI agents with confidence by providing end-to-end visibility, strong data controls, and precision recovery. Rather than viewing data and identities, systems, AI models, and isolations, Veeam models the data and AI estate as a connected graph of relationships. It enables an understanding of where the risk is and how to mitigate it. First, Agent Commander helps organizations see their AI landscape clearly. It discovers and inventories AI agents across cloud and SaaS environments, including shadow AI, and maps which agents access the data and are tied to which identities. Second, Agent Commander strengthens protection. It's built on a robust data security posture management foundation and helps classify and label data, reduce unnecessary or outdated data, and enable least privilege access. Third, Agent Commander enhances resilience. When an AI agent might cause some unintended change or is misused, organizations see a clear timeline of actions, understand exactly which data was affected, and can selectively roll back those changes. That precision minimizes business disruption while restoring integrity and trust. Finally, Agent Commander helps organizations transform to continuous compliance that they can prove instead of point-in-time compliance. To bring it all together, by unifying data security, AI governance, and intelligent recovery with Veeam Agent Commander, leaders can embrace AI agents with confidence, accelerating their businesses while protecting the data and maintaining trust with customers, regulators, and stakeholders. To learn more or to read the Omdia white paper, visit the URL on your screen.